1itech.
Hello everyone, this is Sharaf from 1itech. Today, I'm excited to show you my latest AI project, a tic-tac-toe game powered by a large language model and deployed using IBM Watsonx. This isn't your ordinary tic-tac-toe game. It's enhanced with an LLM, a large language model, that understands the game state and predicts the best moves in real time. It's smart, strategic, and adapts as you play. The backend is built using Python and FastAPI. I used prompt engineering to help the model understand the board and respond effectively. The entire model was trained and deployed using IBM Watsonx, which provides powerful tools for AI development and deployment. The front end was created using Next.js. It's clean, fast, and provides a smooth interface for the game. Let's connect the back end and front end, and we're ready to play. Now, let's play a quick round. Watch how the AI responds instantly to my moves. It analyzes the board and replies using the logic from the trained LLM model, deployed live on Watsonx.
Hello Sharaf. Let's play tic-tac-toe. You go first. Sharaf, I see you're trying to sneak in there. Let's keep the game interesting. My turn. Sharaf, I see you're trying to block me. But I'm one step ahead. Let's keep this game going. Congratulations Sharaf. You won. Want to play again?
I'd love to hear your feedback. Did you enjoy this game? Do you have ideas for new features or improvements? Drop your thoughts in the comments. I'll definitely keep developing and upgrading it. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe to 1itech for more AI-powered projects. I'm MYM.SHARAF. See you in the next video.